Witness the symphony of steel and power. These machines are engineering marvels, built to tackle the toughest jobs with unmatched precision and efficiency. Get ready for a mesmerizing display of mechanical mastery. Let's roll. Unbelievable. The first industrial grinder, with an engine ranging from 120 to 600 horsepower, can easily handle dense vegetation. Weighing from 4,500 to 9,000 pounds, it provides excellent stability on challenging terrains, making it ideal for wetland restoration projects. With a powerful 286 horsepower engine and a weight of about 3,530 pounds, the Wara H290 harvester is an exceptional choice for forestry. It provides efficient woodcutting and processing, ensuring durability and performance even in challenging forest environments. With its high-tech design, the Valtra A93 paired with the Nula 325H harvester is a perfect match for forestry tasks. Featuring a 101 horsepower engine, it efficiently processes timber. Weighing 15,400 pounds, it offers excellent stability and durability on tough terrains, maximizing harvesting efficiency. If you think this machine looks like a massive metal monster, type 1 in the comments. With a 251 horsepower diesel engine and a weight of 44,100 pounds, this machine guarantees stability and performance on rugged, hilly terrain. The Komatsu 931CX, teamed up with the C144 harvester head, is an ideal choice for forestry operations, particularly in dense woodlands like those in Salsen. Designed for high-efficiency forestry tasks, the WAR H290 boasts a powerful 286 horsepower engine and weighs about 3,500 pounds. It excels in cutting and processing timber, offering remarkable durability and stability, even in challenging dense forest environments. The Timberjack 230D is a rugged 14,300-pound machine built for forest environments, offering excellent stability and durability. Powered by a 120-horsepower engine, it excels at wood transportation and is ideal for large tree processing in the timber industry. The John Deere 1510G paired with the T-Winch 10.3 system is the perfect forestry solution for mountain terrain. With a 200-horsepower engine and a weight of about 39,700 pounds, it ensures stable towing power and exceptional performance even in the most rugged landscapes. Imagine what could happen if a truck carrying 44.92 tons of timber attempted to move up such a steep hill. Check out the amazing combo of the automatic baler Polo and the Volvo Excavator. This dynamic duo is perfect for timber operations. With a 150-horsepower Volvo engine and weighing 26,400 pounds, this equipment is built tough and optimized for efficient wood cutting and transportation. The Komatsu 895 is a powerhouse with a 262-horsepower engine that provides impressive pulling capabilities. Weighing 44,100 pounds, this machine excels in stability and durability across all forest terrains, making it an excellent choice for maximizing wood transport efficiency and output. Taking down a mighty oak tree at 423.15 inches long and 19.8 pounds is no small feat. This machine provides the power and stability needed to handle loads up to 423.15 pounds, making the task smoother and more efficient. The Forest Chipper Crusher, equipped with a 140-horsepower engine, delivers outstanding performance and reliability. With a weight of 15,400 pounds, it offers stability and durability across challenging forest landscapes, optimizing both wood chipping and transportation processes. Equipped with a 200-horsepower engine, the Harvester Highlander HL22 is a powerful forestry machine weighing approximately 30,800 pounds. Its design ensures exceptional stability and longevity on forest landscapes, perfect for enhancing wood harvesting and transportation processes. Equipped with an A50 horsepower engine, the Miore HTZ 1200 Plus provides effective and accurate wood cutting. Its weight of 18,700 pounds ensures excellent stability and durability during operation, enhancing productivity and the overall quality of large wood cutting tasks. The Ponsent logging machine is a true powerhouse, boasting a 210 horsepower engine that excels in demanding forestry jobs. Weighing about 30,800 pounds, it's built to thrive in dense forest environments, optimizing both timber extraction and transport. Loving these machines? Hit that subscribe button now. We're always pushing the boundaries of technology and bringing you the most spectacular footage. Turn on notifications so you're the first to see our latest videos.